Hi everyone, Sandy here from Everyday Penny Productions, and today I will be bringing the boys out to find our family Christmas tree. I did a little research ahead of time and I was able to find a church that is selling their trees via donation to other people in the community. So all the money that is raised will go to help other families in need. And we felt that that was the best way to celebrate the season this year. So let me go and gather the boys and we'll be off on our adventure. Stay tuned. Loaded up and we're in the car and we're headed off to get that Christmas tree. Guys, you want to say hi?
Hello.
Hi, it's me.
Hello.
It's Zach too.
Hello.
No one
Okay.
cares.
Are we excited about the Christmas tree hunt?
Sure.
Yeah,
All right. What kind of tree are we getting this year?
medium size.
A
What's it
medium?
called? Pine tree.
A pine tree.
That's the only kind of Christmas tree,
Okay.
in my opinion.
I thought there were.
And we're headed off to the Good Samaritan Church in Paoli on Lancaster Ave. If anyone is local and needs a Christmas tree,
Okay.
the best thing is that you can get your tree for a donation. Oh, look. Can you do that? Can you show the sign? Christmas tree sale, open weekends at goodsamaritan.org.
That's where we're going.
That's where we're going.
Okay.
The sign kind of looks sad.
Yeah, it's kind of drooping a little bit.
They just need to take those poles and whoop.
Okay.
All right, you can see the trees. Take a picture of what kind of trees they have because they're look very nice. Mom's getting money out.
Here's your
So
mask.
here we go.
Not my mask.
Okay, is this my mask or is this yours?
It's whoever wants to wear it.
Wait, no, that's mine.
Okay, so we're going to go up, we're going to pay for a tree, and then we're going to find one. That's how they do it here. So we're set.
Okay.
There's a
Okay.
lot of pine needles on the floor.
Yeah. Okay.
That's okay. So do you like that one, guys?
Yeah.
It's very big.
All right, because we still need to drill that hole in it too.
Also, the top up there needs a trimming so the star can stay.
That's okay, we'll figure it out. And they're trimming up our tree. Don't do that, honey.
Trim up all the trees first,
Yeah, they're trimming up the tree. All right, do you want me to go get the car so we can put it on the roof?
Yeah.
All righty. Okay, so we're waiting on the tree. Zach's got the bungees. We're about ready to roll, right?
Yeah, I think they're measuring the height of the tree.
So we're getting some help this year, getting it on the roof. And you guys will put it on.
Okay, so we have been successful in our mission to get our Christmas tree and save money. Try to find places like this so you could save money for 2020. And thank you for watching this episode of Everyday Penny Productions, and stay tuned for more episodes. Bye.
A few more ways to save on your Christmas tree this year. You can decide to buy a lower cost pine tree. Be willing to haggle. Chop your own. The forestry service sells permits for $10 to $20. Buy from a charity sale rather than the tree farm. Check the paper or Craigslist. Borrow an artificial tree. And then there's tree alternatives. Have your kids color and draw a giant picture of a tree and hang it on your wall, or use lights and Christmas balls to decorate your home. 2020 has been a very unusual year, so do something unusual. Hit the notification bell here, subscribe to Everyday Penny Productions, and we'll be sending out more content. Have a great day.